In this video, you will see 100 wooden wall-mounted coat hanger ideas that combine DIY woodworking, functional storage, and practical entryway design. Wooden coat racks are widely searched for entryway organization, hallway storage solutions, and small space furniture ideas. We begin with rustic wooden coat rack designs. These include reclaimed wood coat hangers, farmhouse wall-mounted coat racks, and wooden wall hooks made from solid wood boards. Rustic coat racks are often used in farmhouse interior design and cabin-style homes. Next, we explore modern wall-mounted coat rack ideas. These designs focus on minimalistic coat rack wall systems, clean lines, hidden mounting hardware, and geometric wooden coat hanger panels. Modern coat racks are popular for contemporary entryway design and small apartment interiors. DIY wooden coat rack projects are also included. Many viewers search how to build a wooden coat rack and what wood is best for coat rack construction. Examples include step-by-step layout concepts, simple board and hook designs, and creative wall-mounted coat hanger installations. For small homes and apartments, coat rack for small space is a common search query. In this section, you will see vertical wooden wall hooks, compact hallway coat racks, and narrow entryway storage panels designed to maximize wall space. Farmhouse coat rack wall designs combine wood and black metal hooks. These examples show practical installation methods and wall mounting techniques for durability and weight support. Minimalistic coat rack wall ideas are shown for viewers who prefer clean design. These include flush-mounted wooden panels with integrated hooks and hidden fasteners. Throughout the video, we also address common questions such as how to install coat hooks on wall, how to secure heavy coats on wall-mounted racks, and how to choose durable wood for coat hanger projects. This collection provides structured visual references for woodworking inspiration, entryway organization, and wall-mounted storage planning.